if you're thinking of running a promotion or a discount on your courses, you can do that with our native e-commerce support in Creator LMS. Now, in Creator LMS, you can literally create coupons on the native e-commerce that we have, and you don't have to be dependent on any other plugins. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the coupons. Now, let's get started. You have to go to the Creator LMS, then you go to the coupon option from here. Now you can see that I don't have any coupons created yet, so I'm going to go ahead and create one. So let's click on the create coupon here. Here you have to give it a title. So for example, you're running a discount for Black Friday. So what you're going to do is write Black Friday. Let's say you want to give it BF25. Let's say you are giving the 25% discount here. So you can add the description to understand what this coupon is for. Then you can go ahead and click on the discount type. Now you can give a flat rate discount to your courses, or you can give it a percentage. So let's say I want to give it a 25% discount during the Black Friday. Now you can add the usage limit. Now here, one person can only use one coupon to purchase a course. Now here you can literally add how many times they can use the coupon. Now if you want them to use it unlimitedly, so just keep it blank. And you can also limit how many times an individual customer can use this coupon. Now one person with one email address only can use it once if I restrict it, and if I don't, a person can use this multiple times. So here you can add the start date and the expiry date with time for this coupon. Now here let's say I want this specific discount to be started on 25th of November, and I want this to end on, let's say, 10th December. So now let's say I want to limit this to 1 for now. I'm just going to go ahead and create this. Now the coupon is created. Now I'm going to just go ahead and copy this. Now let's open the courses. Now it's not going to work because I haven't started this yet. So let me show you how it works, so that let's start it from today. All right. Now let's add the coupon here. Let's apply it. And you can see that I have gotten a 25% discount on this, and my current pricing is $37. So that's how usually the coupon works, and it's available in the Creator LMS, and you don't need a separate e-commerce plugin to have this. So go ahead and create promotional discounts for different occasions for your students and start getting more sales. That's it for today. I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, take care.